Yeah, actually, I'm an ex-IT employee. I live in Hyderabad. So when actually I studied in US and I worked there, and I recently returned back to Hyderabad. So when I was in US, I experienced a health issue. Due to this panic attack came because of my health anxiety. Because something is going to happen. That's what I kept in my mind, and I came here and I worked on most of the anxiety medication, but it didn't work on me. It was triggering me continuously with the symptoms in the head and in the legs, which are shivering and sweating in my palms. So those were the symptoms when one day when I was going through my Instagram, I found the Mr. Hemant from the Happy Living. So he was talking about the anxiety, which they can take it right from the root cause analysis. So I thought of scheduling a call with them. So I contacted the Happy Living, and I don't remember his name. The one person which the call I got scheduled, and he motivated me and he gave me complete detail how they will work on it. Initially, I was not getting confidence whether to join or not, because it was through social media, so I was not confident about it, but I just want to give a try. Listening to his words, okay, let me give a try. So that's how I joined. I got onboarded, and it also went very well. And later the coach was assigned to me, that's Priyanka. Initially I discussed with her the same. So she said, if you want to get a change in you, just trust us, you will see a change, and I promise you. That's what she mentioned. And she as she mentioned, she worked on my root cause, like why it's getting triggered, where it has started. We have worked on that. Initially, I was not doing much well in the practice exercises, so she helped me a lot, like how to apply and how to take actions on that, and how to replace the negative thoughts with the ongoing, like, positive thinking and all. And this helped me a lot. And multiple times I've applied not only the habit, whenever I felt low or lost it, or kind of these symptoms occurred, I tried these practices and it really worked fine for me. And it made me habit also the gratitude. And her voice was so smooth, soothing. And I made a habit of gratitude before going to bed, and after I woke up, definitely I'll do a gratitude for a minute. I pray for God and for my body, which is supporting me a lot. And yeah, I suggest to everyone, because I see a lot of change in me. I see a confidence, and I can see old version of me, which is very happy for me. Yeah. I was getting a fear, or some kind of fear in my stomach or in legs. I don't know why. So this now I'm not at all getting this symptoms. And earlier, if I listen to this anxiety or depression words, I used to get panic. I don't know why, but now I can face that. I can listen and I can face to those words: anxious, depression, anxiety, and all those. I'm not fearing for anything, because I'm confident, because nothing will happen. Nothing is there in me. So I'm physically and mentally, I can say I'm fit. Yeah. Happy and relaxed, calm, normal, very normal. Nothing
Okay,
fears me, or nothing comes up. Yeah.
great.
Um, the person, I don't remember his name. Seriously, I just want to mention him. Thank you so much that I didn't trust you completely. I'm saying, honestly, I'm saying. But
Yeah.
yeah, I listened to you and I trusted you, and I got what I want now. So thank you so much, team. And I don't know where they got this idea of working on root cause analysis, and this is really working a lot. And this will help the people who are still struggling with anxiety, not only like anxiety, panic attacks in their day to. Everyone will have in some or the other time. Now also it will not go completely in me because it's an emotion in us, anxiety or
Little bit
anxious.
will be there. Yeah.
Yeah, but we have to know how to handle with it. Yeah, that's what I learned.